Alright, let's go for a little canyon drive to take some photos. Won't be anything too serious. First rain in a while, so the roads are going to be slick. And I was stopped for a bit because there has been traffic. Real bad. Steering rack is fucking awesome. Alright, now we'll calm it down because I'm gonna go into the park to take some photos. That was a little teaser and warm up for this car, and it is so much fucking fun. Holy shit. So we're in a Foothills Park right now, which you need a Palo Alto license to get into. And it's very pretty out here. I don't know if you guys can see the sights. I've done some hikes up here, taken some photos, but this place has been, I think, one of my go-to spots now for some nice nature photos. There's a good spot you'll see in the back. I've done a couple videos there that has nice tall redwood trees, and that's where we're gonna head right now to take some photos. I've never been up Vista Hill to see, so maybe we'll go around there to take some photos too, but there's a little lake, pond, whatever you want to call it. You can rent canoes, go out there. Thankfully, I guess not a lot of people are out here right now, so we'll be able to take some nice photos with some decent parking. Also, there's a lot of wildlife out here. I'm not sure now because it's raining and winter season, but a lot of deer, sometimes mountain lions, which I hope I don't see. But yeah, I used to go sledding right down this hill. It used to be short grass, not all this tall grass, and you could just take a sled and go right down. Try to be as quiet as possible in here. But yeah, that cruise was, or mini cruise was really fun. See, like right in here could be a good shot. Definitely got squirrely a couple times. I mean, the Super Sports are definitely much better in the rain than my RS3s were, but Like I said, first rain of the season, kind of this winter. Roads are pretty slick. Tree branches were everywhere. And I mean, Pageville to begin with is pretty slick as is. Ooh, there's a big tree branch. Oh, there's another big tree branch. Oh, please don't fall on my car while I'm driving. But I love the steering rack. This thing makes a big difference up in the canyon. It's definitely not as much work having to steer the car. And directional input is right there. Oh look, see, deer. I don't know if you guys can see it. Right there, little Bambis. There you guys go, can you see them? They're not even fazed by people. Funny story, during a summer camp here, we were running, there's a creek down in there. I was running down there, stepped on a wasp's nest, and yeah, I got stung up pretty bad. But I'm going all the way down and then we'll work our way back up for photos. But yeah, I'll show you guys when I get to the spot. Of course, it's starting to rain for the next week and I just washed the car, so that's good. Here we are, got some nice redwood trees. There's some turkeys actually over there. Got to turn my wheel maybe a little bit more, but there's a nice backdrop right there. You got the redwoods right here, so I'll move the car and shoot from over there. But oh dang, I didn't even realize how dirty this side got. All right, maybe I'll switch sides. Woo, this dock is slippery. Don't fall. Oh, and it wobbles. Oh shit. Brought the car up to this little spot. Haven't tried this area before. Actually pretty nice, but just those garbage cans ruin it a bit. Perfect weather. Concludes the photo shoot, and I'll finish it off with the video of me driving out of here. So enjoy the sights and sounds, people. Take it easy. Oh, camera bag. Hill right here is a fun one. Whoop. God, tree branches everywhere. practice heel toe. Wow, there's actually a biker out.